This is problem number 10 from section 2.2. It says how much water should be added to 18 milliliters of 10% alcohol solution to reduce the concentration to 9%. So this problem is actually a fairly easy problem once you kind of wrap your head around the percentages. So let's go ahead and write this out. If we have an 18 milliliter solution and 10% of that is alcohol, we can say that 18 milliliters times 10% is going to tell us the alcohol solution amount that's in there. So we're going to go 18 times 0.1, and that'll give you 1.8 milliliters. So for of the 18 milliliters, so we're going to say this for 10% solution, 1.8 milliliters is alcohol, and the rest, which would be 18 minus 1.8, so that's 16.2 milliliters, that's water. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. This is 90%, right? And this is 10%. And what we're looking to do is we're looking to add water to this solution. If we add water to this solution, that's going to increase the amount of water, right? The amount of alcohol stays the same, which will reduce this 10%. We want it to be reduced to 9%, right? Because we'd have more water in the solution. So that's the goal here. So if you notice how we came up with the amount of alcohol, we just did 18 milliliters times 10%. So I think that's how we want to approach this problem. We want to say 18 milliliters times 10% gives you the amount of alcohol in there. And we know on this side the amount of alcohol in the solution, so even for the 9% concentration, the amount of alcohol is going to stay the same because all we're going to do is increase the amount of water, right? They say how much water would be added. So we're going to set up an equation. On one side, we're going to multiply 18 milliliters times 10%, which we already did up here. So we're going to say 18 ml, and I'm going to take that times 0.10. And this is the alcohol concentration. Now on this side, the amount of alcohol, this is the amount of alcohol. So this will give you 1.8, which is the amount of alcohol. On this side, we're going to get the same amount of alcohol, but instead of multiplying 18 milliliters times 0.10, we're going to take 9% and we're going to multiply it times, so 0.09. We're going to multiply it times, it's like the amount of solution. Well, we don't know that amount, so we're going to say x equals the amount of solution. Okay, so x is the amount of solution. And we're going to put that here. So 0.09, that's 9% times the amount of solution, which we don't know because that's what we're trying to figure out, equals 18 milliliters times 0.10. Let's go ahead and solve this. This will be 1.8, right? We know that's 1.8 milliliters of the amount of alcohol concentration times 0.09x. We'll divide by 0.09, so we have 1.8 divided by 0.09 equals x. And when we do that calculation, we get 1.8 divided by 0.09, and that's 20. So that means our amount of solution is 20 milliliters, right? Because this is ml over 0.09. So our amount of solution that we need is 20 milliliters. So we're going from 18 milliliters to a 20 milliliter solution, and the only thing we're adding is water. Well, how much water did we add then? Well, we added 2 milliliters. So we need to add 2 milliliters of water to increase the solution to 20 ml, which dilutes the alcohol to 9%. And that's the problem.